All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill for the top teeth. This one here is actually singles, guys. You can see that each tooth has a very deep line in between each tooth, which gives it that nice permanent style look. And now these are actually single caps. Beautiful handmade grills. Now this is 10K solid gold, guys. It's a special design with the two middle teeth have the two-tone diamond dust finish with the yellow border. Dazzling, beautiful design. And you got the plain 10K gold teeth on each end. Okay, it's available on our website, blingcartel.com, guys. You can get this for the top, the bottom, or a set. Got your 10K stamp right there. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Quality handmade teeth grills made to fit perfectly. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.